Want to turn your slow-moving inventory into a sales explosion? Let's unlock the power of Bogo promotions on Amazon FBA. First, make sure you meet Amazon's eligibility requirements for running promotions. This typically involves having a professional seller account and a good seller performance history. Now, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Advertising tab, then select Promotions. This is where the magic happens. You'll see different promotion types, but we're focusing on Buy One Get One, or Bogo. Click on Create Next to Buy One Get One. Next, define the conditions under beer purchases. Set at least this quantity to 1, then specify the ASIN or SKU of the product a beer needs to purchase. To qualify for the Bogo offer, you can select an entire product selection if you would like. In the Then Beer Gets section, set the beer gets to one of the same item. Choose the percentage off. Setting it to 100% makes it Buy One Get One free. Now, schedule your promotion. Choose a start and end date that aligns with your goals, whether it's a quick inventory clear out or a longer-term sales boost. Under Additional Options, you can create a claim code to limit the promotion to specific customers or track its performance with a unique tracking ID. You can also customize the display text. Finally, review all your settings carefully to avoid any errors and then submit your promotion. Amazon will then review and approve it. Once approved, your Bogo offer will appear on your product listing, enticing customers and driving sales. Remember to monitor your promotion's performance and adjust your strategy as needed.